great amount. So a few days ago, I helped one of my friends to move in with her boyfriend, and as a thank you gift, his boyfriend is a really good boyfriend, I would say. He gifted me this local food, I would say, where his boyfriend come from. He's French, but like he's not from Paris. He's from a city named Périgueux. It's supposed to be known for like everything, like food around like duck and yeah, duck. Yeah. Ooh, that looks fancy. I've already opened it up to see what's inside, but here you go. So we have some foie gras, canard entier, good. Then we have some rillettes de porc du Périgord, really good too. I really love this. Here we have mémé dans les orties terrines de poule. So this is supposed to be chicken terrine. I don't know how to call this in English. No English, sorry, but it's chicken. Here we have some fig, and a terrine, a duck, like smoked duck terrine, and a really big cake. It's with some nuts. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, so I just want to brag that this is so like adult thing, like when you help a friend and you get a gift in return. Okay, I'm in another era of my life. Anyways, thank you, friend. And now I am going to continue to upload my vlogs. I've just watched some like realistic YouTubers doing like advice. That was like just a couple of videos, even hundreds of videos, you're not gonna get views. And for me, it's fine. It's just gonna be some try out cuts. So I'm not trying to put much effort in them. I just would like to film and edit kind of. So we're gonna do that for some times and see if this take off. Let's say that I am pretty much done with the editing kind of. Actually, I still have 40 minutes that I wanted to cut into 15 minutes max, because sometimes just the process of doing ceramics is just taking so long. I'm kind of having difficulties to speak because I just went to the dentist. Anyways, now it's 4 and I'm planning to go to the ceramic studio and just get some work done. I will unbox my throwing gauge. I bought it like 2 months ago. I haven't unboxed it yet. And also I'm going to throw a bit because it has been a while since I've thrown anything. I'm still waiting for my big package to come where there is a lot of throwing materials like my bats, also like glazes, under glazes, a lot of tools. Very excited for that. Okay, let's go. It's just sunny today and it's putting me in a good mood, definitely. But still, had a jacket on. I just made it to the studio and I'm gonna show you my babies because our kiln, it kind of broke down. I mean, either it's his kiln, he actually miraculously, he fixed it, and I'm just amazed by this guy. He's really manual and things. And I'm going to do a base firing in not so long, I believe. Here are all my babies. I have a great amount. Also for Valentine's Day, my boyfriend got me a rose. I just put it in this bottle. Let's work on the reclaim. those are the final product, kind of. But I think I'm gonna throw those two away because this is too wide and this is too small. And I only have one here, so we'll see. So I think we are going to call it a day. I haven't been feeling really good here since I went to the dentist. I'm just gonna do some admin work, doing like creating content back home, get some good food, get some sleep. That's it. Good night. This is definitely messy. Oh, I am back home now. I am going to do some editing again and maybe create some content for my page. And then after that we're gonna eat. I'm probably going to eat what I was gifted and tell you how it tastes.